Welcome to Vision MBA guys. In today's video, I'm going to share the study plan for next 30 days. And trust me guys, if you follow this study plan the way I have mentioned, you are definitely going to get 120 marks in upcoming CET examination. Given the condition that you are focused and investing at least 5 hours every day. Now let's talk about my credibilities. People are talking about what they have done and what not. I am not going to mention everything in one video, but let me tell you, I am mentoring, teaching and guiding people or students for various entrance examinations from past 5 years. Not just that, many students who have groomed, mentored are now faculty themselves. I can take the names also. They are running their YouTube channels as well, but then that won't be right. Now, let's talk about what needs to be done. First of all, before you watch this video, you need to keep in mind that from now on, every day for next 30 days, you're going to invest 5 hours with complete dedication, with complete focus and attention. You're not going to get deviated, you're not going to get disturbed by your mobile phones, any other stuff for at least those 5 hours when you're going to study. I am not just going to cover the number of hours and the mocks you must attempt in next coming 30 days in a sequence, but I will also cover all the topics, logic, verbal and quant. So let's get started guys. Let's start with the logic section guys. Now logic section, why? Because it's going to be the topic, or based on these things mostly the questions are going to be there. There are going to be 100 questions asked. And if you can see on day one, I have given you the topic analogy and classification. You invest 2 hours. Coding, decoding, blood relation, 2 hours. Direction, sense plus ranking test, 2 hours. Series, input and output, 2 hours. Syllogism, 2 hours. Analytical reasoning. Now, guys, if you are planning to appear in CET examination, if you have filled the registration form, or if you are going to do that, you are going to get related to some of the other coaching class, hopefully Vision MBA. We are going to train you for that. And these are the topics you must do. So I'm sure you guys know verbal reasoning, 2 days I've given for verbal reasoning, visual and miscellaneous reasoning. Again, you're going to invest 2 hours. So this is the plan for logical reasoning section for next upcoming 10 days. So 1 hour you're going to invest in verbal, 1 to 2 hours in quant, and 2 hours definitely in logic. As I've mentioned in the beginning, that 5 hours every day minimum you must invest with complete dedication for next 20 days. So this is the plan for first 10 days of the logical reasoning section. Let's go on to the next 10 days. Again, guys, if you see, I have repeated the topics just the way from day 1 to day 10. Day 11, again, you're going to do class analogy classification. Again, you're going to invest 2 hours every day. Now, guys, the type of questions are different, but the concept remains the same. So you need more and more practice on it. You must invest more time, but definitely not. And this is the bare minimum 2 hours. And then in the end, or at the bottom, you can see it's mentioned that try to attempt various questions of the topic done on that day. So this is about the logical reasoning section, guys. So guys, that was the logic plan for you. Now why I spoke about the logic first, because in CET examination, most number of questions are going to be asked from the logic. Whenever you are studying for the logical section, enjoy practicing questions. In fact, you are going to do great in CET examination if you enjoy attempting logical reasoning questions. Do not try to waste your time in questions which you think are consuming so much of time. Well guys, we are also going to provide you free workshops, 6 free workshops from Vision MBA. And if you are interested, you can join the Telegram link which I am going to share in the description box. Now let's get started with the verbal section. What you are supposed to do in next 20 days. Remember guys, last 10 days are for the mocks. How to attempt the mocks, how to analyze it, I'll explain you that also in this video. Now let's get on to the verbal section. Now guys, as you can see, I have divided the days into subjects and the topics, not the subjects. If you can see, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7 till day 10. Not just that, I have given you the topics also. Now guys, I want to tell you that 1 hour minimum you must invest in these topics on each day, as I've mentioned. And if you notice, there are 3 days which I have given to grammar, and the topics are also mentioned: subject, verb, agreement, pronouns and conjunctions, article and preposition. Now guys, in CT examination, question based on these concepts are asked the most, and you're going to invest 3 days, at least 1 hour every day. Whenever you're going to do these topics, guys, make sure that you you refer to your books, online material, whatever you have got from your coaching class. And in the end, I have also given you 3 days to revise. You can revise whatever topic you want. If you want, you can invest more time, but this is the least possible time every day. You must invest for verbal. 1 hour for verbal every day. Now, guys, in CET examination, vocabulary plays a huge role. More than 15 questions directly, indirectly are going to be on vocabulary. So I've mentioned here, if you can see here at the bottom, vocab must be done every day for 10 minutes. Now, yes, that's the point, guys. It can't be done in one day. You have to be regular and consistent for that. And not just that, I have given you highly, or you can say high frequency words or words which are usually asked in the entrance examination. The best way to learn words or to guess the right meaning of the word in examination is by listening. Do not try to memorize it. And I have given those highly frequent, or you can say the high probability or the frequency of these words are quite high to be asked in the examination. I've spoken and given the meaning on a podcast from alphabet A to Z or A to Z. The name of the podcast is Babaji Ka Gyan. It's quite funny and it's on Spotify. Now let's go on to the 11th till 20th day plan. Again, guys, if you can see here, I have given you day 11 to day 20th is the same thing. What you're going to do on day one, the same thing you're going to repeat from day 11 onwards. Again, in the end, I have given you 3 days to revise, and you must invest 10 days every day for vocabulary. Guys, you can invest more time, but it shouldn't be less than this. So, this is about the verbal section. So guys, now that was verbal section. Now let's talk about the con section. Now there are going to be people after watching this video, they are going to say, sir, some topics you haven't covered or maybe certain things are not there. Remember guys, at the start or the beginning of this video, what I've mentioned, that my target is to make you prepared in next 30 days to score 120 marks. There are certain topics and questions which you can afford to skip or not attempt, or maybe attempt but randomly, because there is no negative marking. You do not have much time, and anyway in CT examination you got 200 questions. The challenge is not that there are 200 questions. The challenge is the time is just 150 minutes. So the topics or questions which I think might not be sensible doing now, I am not going to cover that in the quant section. Now guys, let's get on to the quant section syllabus, that what you're supposed to do and how you're supposed to do. I am also going to share the link of G Drive mentioning these slides, these pictures of verbal, quant, logic, whatever things I have mentioned. In fact, if you want, you can take the screenshot of also of the video in the YouTube video. Of course, you can do that while watching this video. So now let's get on to the quant section, guys. Now guys, let's come on to the quant. Now again guys, this is the plan for first 10 days. Now just the way you are going to do verbal, similarly you're supposed to do quant and logic. So 1 hour every day minimum you're going to invest in verbal, and then 1 hour every day in the initial few days you're going to invest in quant. If you can see, I've given you 1 hour. I invested 1 hour for first day for the percentage. Now why I've started from percentage, because it's the mostly asked concept in the examination. This is going to be asked the maximum. Then ratio and proportion for 1 hour, average profit and loss 1.5 hours. And then from that day onwards, every day I've asked you or I've requested to invest, you guys to invest 2 hours every day. Time and work, time and speed. Now, guys, this topic or this picture or these things I've already mentioned that I am going to share the slides with you guys in the description box. I'm going to share the link. If you want, you can take the screenshot also. Try to attempt various questions of the topic done on that day. So mention at the bottom, you can try to do that. So that's the first 10-day plan. Moving on, from day 11 till day 20th, if you see, I have given number system 2 days, 2 hours, and then 1 hour. After that, every day I want you to invest 2 hours, and the name of topics or the topics are repeated. If you check. Now, why, as I've mentioned, that why I've done this, because these are the topics on which mostly questions are going to be asked. In the end, probability, permutation, combination, and data interpretation. Data interpretation, 1 day is given. Now, people are going to say, so on data interpretation, there are going to be many questions asked, but you have just given 1 day. Guys, trust me, data interpretation is nothing but it's the similar way of asking algebraic questions in a different format. When you attempt the questions, you'll get to know that. Again, you're going to invest 2 hours every day for you guys to be accustomed and show with these topics. If you want, you can invest more time, or but definitely shouldn't be less. If you have done these topics in the past, if you're comfortable, it can be reduced, but I suggest at least 2 hours every day you must invest. So this is the plan for next 20 days for the quant section. I hope you understood what you are supposed to do and how you are supposed to do anything in next 30 days. In next 20 days for that matter. Now let's talk about the mocks. What you're supposed to do in last 10 days while attempting mocks. Let's get started. Now guys, the last 10 days. Now I have given you the plan for logical reasoning, verbal, quant, okay, that you have. Now let's talk about what you're going to do in the last 10 days. It's a 30-day plan. Now, in the last 10 days, guys, every day you're going to attempt one mock. Now, why I didn't suggest you to attempt the mocks earlier? Because you must prepare to gauge yourself sincerely. Without preparing for anything, how you are going to attempt the mock. So before you attempt the mock, make sure that you first study. You first be ready for the mock so that you can assess and gauge yourself correctly, accurately. Now, 4 hours are going to be there. Why 4 hours? You're going to invest some time. Now, we all know it's 150 minutes examination. So 2.5 hours you're going to invest in attempting the mock. And that's the point. You're going to attempt the mock sincerely without any other doubt in your head that this is not it is a drill. It is not the real mock. It is not the examination. You're going to attempt the mock as if it is the examination. Okay. You're going to cut yourself from the world for next 2.5 hours, and then after that you're going to analyze. So 4 hours every day you're going to do that. Trust me guys, after every mock you're going to analyze your performance, what you did, what you could have done, what you could have done better. And in the end, I've mentioned that try to attempt various questions of the type you didn't do well in a mock, but then you must ask yourself that which question you can skip or randomly attempt and which question you must attempt. CT examination is all about managing your time, your resources. That also includes not just time, but also your study, how much you can perform in the examination, and which type of question you invest more time, and which type of question you get the answer more accurately, investing less time. So you need to focus on these aspects. And trust me, guys, at Vision MBA, we're going to train you for that. And if you're not a Vision MBA student, this is what you must do. So this is the plan for next 30 days, guys. So that's it guys. Given the condition that you are going to be dedicated, you're going to invest at least 5 hours every day. You can increase the number of hours if you want, but it shouldn't be reduced. And if you are focused, trust me guys, in next 30 days, you are going to be prepared enough to score more than 120 marks. Now guys, at Vision MBA, if you guys are getting mocks, of course we provide mocks also. We are going to sell you mocks if you want. But not just mocks, we will be giving you links to sessions, and of course workshop is free for everyone. I'm going to share the link in the description box. If you want, you guys can get in touch for the mocks and for the sessions forward. Thank you and stay blessed.